Today, I'm reviewing Leviton Decora Smart, a well-known brand in the smart home industry offering a range of connected lighting controls. If you're considering upgrading your home with smart switches, dimmers, or plug-in modules, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. I started by unboxing the Leviton Decora Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer Switch, which is one of their flagship products. The packaging includes the switch itself, installation instructions, and a neutral wire requirement, which is something to keep in mind if you have an older home. One thing that stood out immediately was the build quality. It feels premium and well-made, unlike some cheaper alternatives. Installation is straightforward if you're comfortable working with home wiring. The process involves turning off power at the breaker, removing your old switch, connecting the wires according to the provided guide, and securing the switch into place. Leviton offers both Wi-Fi and Z-Wave options, so you can choose based on your preferred smart home ecosystem. Once installed, I powered it on and moved on to the app setup. The Leviton app is well designed, allowing you to easily add devices and customize settings. However, I did experience some initial connection issues when setting up Wi-Fi. It took a few attempts before the switch successfully connected, which could be frustrating for first-time users. Once connected, I was able to set schedules, adjust brightness levels, and integrate the switch with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Voice control worked seamlessly, but the response time was slightly slower compared to some competing brands, like Leviton Decora. One of the standout features of Leviton Decora Smart is Matter compatibility on newer models, which enhances cross-platform integration. If you plan to expand your smart home, having Matter support ensures better interoperability with different brands and ecosystems. However, older models lack this support, so be mindful of which version you're purchasing. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. A downside I noticed is that the Leviton app lacks some advanced automation features that competitors like Leviton and Decora offer. For example, while you can create schedules, geofencing isn't as refined, making location-based automations a bit unreliable. Additionally, the dimming functionality works well with most LED bulbs, but flickering can occur with certain brands, so compatibility is something to test before fully committing. Another potential drawback is the price. Leviton Decora smart products tend to be on the higher end of the price spectrum, and while they offer solid reliability and support, you may find more affordable options that provide similar functionality. If budget is a concern, alternatives like Decora or Leviton Decora might be worth considering. Overall, my experience with Leviton Decora Smart has been mostly positive. The devices are well built, the app is easy to navigate, and the compatibility with major smart home platforms is a huge plus. However, connection issues, limited automation features, and a higher price point are factors to weigh before purchasing. If you're looking for a high-quality smart lighting solution with long-term reliability, Leviton is a strong option. But it's not without its flaws. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Leviton Decora Smart and what your experience has been like.